Hello guys, welcome back to the video. Here we have a DJI Mini 3 Pro with us to bypass the 120 meters limit. So as we all know that everyone will not be having the normal RC to bypass their 120 meters limit on their drone. So one of the subscriber contacted me over the Instagram and visited my place to get his drone bypass the 120 meters limit. So firstly, to do this process we would require a Dronehacks license. As you're seeing on the screen, we have to visit the Dronehacks website from the Chrome or any other browsing medium. Here you will get an option called buy license. Once you hit on buy license, you will see list of drones, and here you will not find DJI Mini 3, only you'll find DJI Mini 3 Pro. So there are variety of drones where you can buy the license for, but if you are purchasing it for DJI Mini 3, then also you have to select DJI Mini 3 Pro itself, and after that you have to select the firmware that is running on your drone. The firmware can be got from the about section of the DJI Fly app. So from there you get the firmware, then select this data and proceed to purchase the Dronehacks license. So guys, those who have the confusion that I have the DJI Mini 3 and not the Mini 3 Pro, those people can also purchase the DJI Mini 3 Pro license, and that works on your DJI Mini 3 as well. So complete this hack process works on both DJI Mini 3 as well as DJI Mini 3 Pro. So guys, once you're done selecting the drone type, firmware, then you have to enter all your personal details and check out to proceed to the payment. Once you're done with the payment, then within 10 to 15 minutes your license will be linked with your email. Once the license is linked with your email, you would require a normal RC, and here in the normal RC through your phone you have to open the DJI Fly app, and here you have to select the DJI Mini 3 or Mini 3 Pro, whichever drone you have. So on the screen you can see that our DJI Fly app is trying to search the aircraft. So after few seconds it will give a message as unable to connect to the aircraft. So we have to select on unable to connect to the aircraft. So after that we will get a pair option. So before selecting on pair, we have to turn off our drone and put our drone in the pairing mode. So how we can do that is we have to turn on our drone again, and after our drone gets turned on, we have to press the back button and hold it for 4 seconds non-stop. Then it will go to the pairing mode, and also in the RC we have to click on pair. So it will take around 5 to 10 seconds to get your RC paired with your DJI Mini 3 Pro. So now as you can see on the screen, both the lights are solid on RC and the drone. That means our RC has got paired with our DJI Mini 3 Pro. So guys, here on the screen you can see that our max altitude has been set to 120 meters. So this is the simple way how we can pair our normal RC with our DJI Mini 3 Pro. Now we will be using DH Companion to bypass this 120 meters. So now I have opened my DH Companion. So when you open your DH Companion, you have to just unplug and plug your cable of your drone, and once that's done, you will see the option. You have to click on transfer files. You have to click cancel when the DJI flap asks you for the access. So you have to enter the email address and the password that you had entered while purchasing the DH or Dronehacks license. After that you have to select on 500 meters button and FCC. Make sure that when you are using DH Companion application, your internet needs to be active. And again, now we will be switching back to the DJI Fly app. So when you guys open your DJI Fly app, then you will see that 500 meters will be set. So basically you have to open the DJI Fly app, and then you have to switch it back to the Dronehacks and unplug the cable, plug it back, and then set that 500 meters and FCC. Again switch back to the DJI Fly app, unplug the cable and plug it back to the phone. That's it. You will be seeing the 500 meters on your phone, and here we will be flying our drone with the normal RC itself to test whether we are able to exceed 120 meters or not. So guys, most of the people were asking the same question, that was whether this hack works on DJI Mini 3 or not. So guys, this hack works on DJI Mini 3 as well as Mini 3 Pro, and even people were asking whether this is a safe medium of bypassing 120 meters or not. Yes guys, this is the only way that we have currently to bypass 120 meters, and as you saw on the screen that we are able to bypass 120 meters with a normal RC. So we have to do the same thing with the smart RC now. So guys, now I have turned on the smart RC. Here we have selected the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Now we have to pair this smart RC with our DJI Mini 3 Pro, as we did earlier with the normal RC. The same steps that we will be following here as well. So as you are seeing on the screen that our smart RC is trying to connect to the DJI Mini 3 Pro, but when it shows that unable to connect, we have to click on unable to connect, and then we have to turn off our drone, and again we have to press and hold the back button for 4 seconds, and there we go. Drone will be in the pairing mode, and also our smart RC will get connected to our drone. As you can see on the screen now, our smart RC has got connected to the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and here in the max altitude you can see that the max altitude has been changed from 120 meters to 500 meters. And the common question that I was getting is whether this hack is permanent or not. So guys, this hack is completely permanent. Once you're doing this hack or following these steps, then after it gets set, means max altitude will be set in your smart RC as 500 meters. Then after it will not get reset to 120 meters, because the smart RC is only connected or accessing the DJI flap. So DJI flap will be always running in the smart RC. So whenever you reboot your smart RC or whenever you reboot your DJI flap, even though the max altitude will be set to 500 meters itself. So this is a one-time hack that you will be doing on your drone, and you're good to go. So this hack is most safe and the only hack process that we have currently with us to bypass 120 meters. So as you can see on the screen guys, our height is almost, we have reached up to 500 meters now, and that's the max altitude that we can opt with this particular hack with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel.